So before this video even gets started, I want to say this is all Jordan's fault for getting that lip for his Civic, and it's made me want to get a lip for mine. So there it is right down there on the ground, and let's get started. So here it is, guys. This literally just came in. This is the Bason R OE style front lip for the 2001-2002 coupe front bumpers. As you can see, my car is the sedan, but I did the coupe front end swap on it. But now I got this, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and put it on. As you can see, it's already got the pre-drilled holes and all that stuff in it. It's got a few down at the bottom. It comes with hardware and all that. It doesn't come with any double-sided tape or nothing like that. I'm gonna have to pick some of that up. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly mount it and see how it does from there. So first off, before I even start installing the lip over there, I'm gonna go ahead and clean down all these bugs that I've hit because I daily drive this car. So yeah, that's gonna be the first step, is me just cleaning off these bugs on the front. So now that I've got the bottom down here clean of all the bugs and stuff, and I've got the lip up there, I'm gonna go ahead and like kind of test mock it up and all that. But I just wanted to point out that this kit does come with some fairly good hardware. It comes with these like little bolt thingies like this, and these little tabs to mount into down there, right there. So it'll, because that's lower, it'll mount to the bottom of the bumper. And then it comes with these self tappers that you can put into the corners, and it actually does go in the bottom down there as well. But it comes with some fairly good hardware. So now the next point is mocking it up. I may end up getting this painted the white to match the car. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. I mean, it's not done yet, but what do you think your opinion of it is? Should it be white or just leave it black? So to mock it up, I did the exact same thing I did to Jordan's car. Just turn the car on and turn the wheel. That way it gives you pretty much free access to this corner down here. So now all I gotta do is throw in some screws right here to hold it, and then I'll pretty much be finished mocking it up for right now. So I've got the first screw in right here, and what I did to mock it up was I actually put the lip up, and I don't know if you can see in there, right there, that little black spot, it's kind of blurry. I drilled holes in it, or not drilled holes, but took a Sharpie and marked where I'm gonna put the bumper of the lip at through the holes. And yeah, so now it's just kind of time to drill into the bumper and put the lip up there right. But now we gotta get a drill bit because it's actually taking forever with these self tappers to put it in there. So now that I got the two self tappers put through there, I'm gonna go ahead and put these brackets together. All they are is, you know, you put them like this, you put the bolt through them, and then you bolt them up like this, I'm pretty sure. Something like that, I don't really know. I just know I gotta bolt it through the front lip like this. So yeah, that's gonna be the next step, is trying to bolt this to the front lip. All right, don't make the same dumb mistake I made. Don't bolt this first, do the brackets first, because it makes it so much easier. Now I'm having to bend the bumper like this, just to try to get the lip to match, or the bracket to go in, because I bolted that down first. So make sure you do these brackets first before you do bolting into the actual bumper itself. All right, now I've got the brackets on here. Got it done on the other side. I got a little jack down there holding up that part of the car. So now I'm gonna be able to put the self tappers through here and drill it up nice and firmly. That way I won't have this big of a gap through here. So now I've got this bracket right here all done. I've got that side bolted in, and I actually ended up doing that side over there to help hold it up. Now I just have this bracket right over here to get bolted up, and it's already pretty much in place. All I got to do is drill the hole and bolt it, and then the front lip should be mounted. It's looking fairly good right now. I still don't know if I'm gonna keep it black or paint it, because it really doesn't match the other parts of the car, which you'll see in a few seconds. Got the final bracket down there bolted up, so now just time to move it and see how it looks, you know, from the full side of the car. So here it is, guys. Don't mind my car looking absolutely filthy. Here's the new OE style Bason R front lip. This lip was, with shipping and all, $90 on eBay. So I mean, it took about 45 minutes to really get it to put on, because I had a few slight little issues, and that wasn't really on the lip's fault. It's probably on me. Like, as you can see here, I still haven't got this body line quite lined up right how I want it to be, but the car looks good with it on. And like I said, leave a comment down below. I want to know what y'all think on painting the lip white to match the rest of the car, or leave it black. I think I'm gonna paint it white. It just doesn't really match the white side skirts and all that. But now that I've got a little bit of money saved up, I may go ahead and get a Wings West kit for the sedan part, so that side skirts, rear thing, and then like a duckbill back there. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that or a coupe spoiler in the back. Y'all let me know. I don't really know what to do next. Y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm out of breath from talking and being under this car because it's lowered. And yeah, if you want to see more on my CG6, playlist is going to be in the description down below. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching. And if you want to see more, click that subscribe button. Peace.
Now turn up.